So Utim was advised to Guti, does he know that in South Africa you are allowed to take multiple wives and you can marry them legally and they can be your wife. Apart from you trying to Guti jump between Tiny and Unkosikazi wako that you are now currently legally married to, and you said ufuna isihlukane. So are you aware that you can actually take Unkosikazi wesibili because you are not happy with your first wife? So I think Utim took that advice very serious from Umfundisi, because now he called his current wife to come through and ati into Zoyenza sokhulumela la hotel. So I'm thinking that he probably wants to have this conversation with her ukuthi lalela wena wangenisa imbuzi esibayeni sami, so therefore I would want to take another wife, but angekushiyi. You are still gonna be my first wife, but I wanna take the second wife, because Utain is not having it. It's like, no, it's either you have me or have her. You can't have all your cake and eat it. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndi madekwana sanibonani abusheni malweni minjani hifukela hingongwina. So namuhla ka ngokwahina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma korosla samsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Jackson is due to have a meeting with ingadlangadla yendoda that decides whether uyaxoshwa or uyahlala. So now he is unease. Umartha uzama ukumduduza ukuthi lalela, you need to calm down, because labantu laba, you don't even know what they're coming to do. But then he says, from the phone call I can already tell bafuna ukungixosha. And then Martha asked, did they say so? He says no. So now, for now, you have to relax and have to find out what is it that they have for you, instead of you to just manje so uyaphiniga awazi ukuthi uyangena or uyaphuma na. So uguy uyafika lapha, and then he says he wants to take some rest. Have a rude ubaba, yo. He was so rude, he said, this town is so ugly and small. Can I just take a rest a bit? And I'm thinking, yeah, shame. So Umartha uyathathazela lapho bamnikeza indawo yokulala. Okay, sharp. Speaking of Umartha, she decided to go to the salon where Petunia was doing her hair, no Leroy. And then there was a bodyguard that wanted to stop her coming closer to Petunia. And then wase wambuza ke ukuthi how girly manje se unogada wena yaphelela kuphi indaba yakho yokutya iziyobisi ke sisi. Athi ke noPetunia, awulalela shemu, ukhuluma ngendaba encane leyo yasandlula lapho thina, into eseqondayo manje uwena emjondolo. Atonga oshelwa madibulu kofeni. It's like one of the kakela, like she why am I saying he? She didn't know what to do with herself. She didn't even know how to contain herself, to find out ukuthi uyatrenda. And the trend ngendlela is wrong, after she just confessed that she was the one that started the rumors. Woo, in your face. Checkmate. Anyway, speaking of checkmate, Jackson has started a fire at the depot that I don't know if uyacimeka lo mlilo, but the person that went to do investigation, I think it was I don't know, someone in a higher position yamapoyisa, but I think they should have called someone in Sheikh, not amapoyisa. I don't understand, because now Sheikh is the one that also deals with those kind of things. So uyafika lapho uyabuza imibuzo to all the workers at the depot, and then asking how everything is going. But the people actually emphasized that they are okay, and umphathi wabo ubaphatha kahle, and they asked uthi imigoma nemibandela yokuthi how do you then how do you deal with your day-to-day basis, and the health and safety regulation procedures, are they somewhere where people bakhona ukuzibona nani nani? They agreed. However, uTim ngomlomo omkhulu wakhe athi no, nakhona umphathi wethu bekabhema bese walahlela isitompi phansi bese waqhuma untuthu. Akave phapha lo bhuti. But again, on the other hand, Uthandiswa has called Uleroy to take her to where Nomeva is, because she wanted that she should be the one. She wanted Uleroy to assist her to find Unomeva, so that asizakale kwinkinga zakhe, of which it looks like it's gonna happen, because Uthandiswa decided to call umyeni wakhe amtshela ukuthi namhlanje we're gonna take time coming back, because Uleroy uyangicela ukuthi ngisebenze kancane. And I'm just thinking if this whole setup is going to work, because if ayisebenzi uyomudla phila uJackson uyomgwenya. Well, speaking of Jackson, well done to him, congratulations are in order. I don't know if this is the part where we say ukuthi izinto zakancuka ziyasebenza, because instead of him being fired, that he was actually promoted to be a premier. However, whoever that was promoting him was not actually interested in him. He said, okay, it's fine, you need to calm down because I'm here to promote you. And he was shocked. Now, inkinga ila Mr. Mayor, our current sitting mayor, oh Nkosi yami, inhliziyo yami ave ibuhlungu. Bamsongela, and then they're telling him ukuthi mina Rukobile mina ndiyabo ukuthi khabana, the sins of his past is coming back to haunt him, and I don't know if he will be able to escape, because now umuntu ofonayo uyamtshela ukuthi lalela ngiphethe ufakazi, the date and time if requested, I can give that to you. This is bad.